Today we have a 2015 Ford F-150 with the 5.0 V8 engine. We'll be replacing all 8 spark plugs. Very simple here. Probably one of the easiest spark plugs to do. As you can see, there's pretty much room for it to do everything. The only one you might get a little obstruction is this, but we can just push it back with the heater hoses here. So we're going to start off with number 8. We're going to remove all these little bolts from the ignition coils, and then from there we'll go with getting these connectors off. Alright y'all, so after all the bolts removed, you're going to want to pick up this red connector. Now I just left one bolt here because I don't have both my hands and I kind of need both to hold it in order to get this up. So all you got to do is just slide it upward like so. And then from there, we just squeeze and maybe a little wiggle and the connector comes out. I guess not as easy as I want to act like it would be. Oh well, one hand. So now just all we have to do is just remove the coil itself. Let me just get this bolt out the way here. Sorry that I'm actually showing the video of me doing it. So now all we gotta do is just pick up the coil. It might be a little tough in there, so sometimes I'll use like a little pry tool, a little plastic one, just to pry up a little bit. And then with that removed, just push this away, put to the side. And then now with our spark plug tool here, 5/8 usual, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the spark plug. All right, also I've removed all 4 spark plugs on this side. We're gonna go ahead and install our new ones. Now you could torque these down if you want. They get torqued down to 14.5 Newton meters, or around 11 foot-pounds ish, a little lower than that, but around there. So go ahead and just get all of them threaded in and torque them all down at once. Okay guys, all my spark plugs on this side torqued down to 11 pounds. I'm just gonna pop all my coils back in here and plug everything back in, or bolting them back down as number 8s, and then making sure when I put these coils back in, you hear a little click sound, know it's all the way in, then slide these shut. All right, spark plugs installed, ignition coils back in, number 8 back down, push down with the clip, the red thing down. So let's do the other side. Okay, now we're on the driver's side, the left side of the engine here. Do the same thing, remove the bolt, unplug, pull the ignition coil out, pull the spark plug out. And on this one, they give you a lot more room than the old 5.4 liter engine, so this is great. So something I noticed, I want to go ahead and just show y'all, but be careful when doing so because this is plastic. So like my little small pry tool here, if you have a stuck coil, there is a groove. Let me get one here. Right here on the coils, the plastic piece that, just for the bracket to hold these down. So basically if it gets stuck in there, you can kind of just like go into it, like so. You see like how the notch is right there, and just kind of slightly lift upward. And you can pull with the other hand, it'll just pop right out. But don't, obviously don't put that much pressure on it. You don't want to break anything, but for the most part, something like this won't break. But just giving you a little tip on getting these out easily. Okay guys, so all my new spark plugs are in, torqued down to 11 foot-pounds. Now I'm just gonna put the coils back in, plug everything up, bolt those coils down, and that is it, and we're done. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, more videos to come.